place, yeah. Cause I know.
Okay, so today is car. We are here at the auto repair shop. I have a friend that I worked with him before, and we brought my car because of the AC died when we went to Sedona. And there's my other van, so we'll just wait for my friend to come in here and check the cars. Both car needs to be really changed soon, so that's my next project, is car being changed. Before, I'll do it every 2 years, but this time this is the longest car that I have in my life here in the US, but it needs to be changed soon. And this other car is a gift from my son. I think this one until it gets really old and bad, and I will still have this car, you know. Okay, we're thinking of changing my car, so we're here at Honda, Belt Honda, and I got my car here too before, so we'll see what can I get today. Come and join me, guys. I built this one before, so let's see if I can do that again. So another day of looking cars for me and my husband, and we are here in Phoenix area. This is not bad place. I see that there's really a good place to buy cars too. A lot of them are new cars, and I don't know if leasing or buying. These are all new cars, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we'll be finding in here. I want a Honda or Mercedes Benz, so. But a lot of here are like Kia, Toyota, Hyundai, and I saw one that I really like. It's a Honda, but the price is good too. We'll see what you think that I will get. I have one here that I like. It's a Honda. Oh, this one is also Toyota. This is really nice. Nice one. See? Like the look. I am not a tall person, so I want a big car. I always like a big one. There's Honda here. But I'm not really a sedan person, so we'll see. Yeah, sedan is not my type. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I will end up really buying a sedan anyway. You know, buy big cars, because I have kids and I have my mom with me before, so it looks like I want this one. Look at this. You like it? It's a Honda. It's nice. Well, I think this is Honda Pilot, but I like big cars, so we'll see. I want still a 7-seater. I should end up on a smaller now, but I still like big one. And this is 2020. In this area. Okay, today is another day to look for a car. We are here at Honda, and we'll see if I can find a car this time. So say good luck to me. Thank you guys. Today we are here at Honda, and we're looking for a Pilot or a CRV. So we'll see what we can get. And I'm thinking buying a Honda or a Mercedes. So we'll see.
The front seat just to do that, and then you have this huge space here for storage and anything. Or if you want to go camping, it's a perfect place to go sleeping.
That's right.
Yeah, got your storage information here as well.
And it's a nice one
Down,
too.
put groceries or anything. That way they're not rolling around.
Not bad as the CRV really. So
The seat backed up.
look
Right
at
here.
that.
Let them down. You get all this square footage here. All this leg room, so the person in the back seat will feel so comfortable.
That's right. It's beautiful.
And even in the luxury model, you get the rear vents, so everyone will be cool.
Yeah, show them
Especially
the
here in
inside.
Arizona.
Show them the inside. On the front.
Oh yeah.
Everything is
So right here,
look at this.
yeah. So you got your nice screen, Bluetooth,
Yes.
you know, audio control. You have your brake hold. You have your idle stop. Your Eco Booster. The Eco Booster will
That's
allow
a
you
good
to
one,
get
really.
almost 40 miles per gallon in this car with the Eco Booster. You have all your safety features like lane keeping assist, that'll keep you in your lane. Adaptive cruise control, that stops and go for you for the, you know, if there's a vehicle ahead of you. It's kind of like a bootleg Tesla.
Wow.
Just in a Honda.
It's a Honda, but yeah, that's why I really want a Honda.
It's a tiny engine, but you know what? Mechanics love working on these cars. You know why?
Yeah.
Because Honda keep it, you heard of the KISS method? Keep it simple, stupid. They keep everything simple, so when
Yeah,
mechanics work on it, they don't have a hard time trying to get to certain. And then it goes with Honda versus Mercedes. If there was something to break, you're not spending $1,000 to get it fixed.
I know. I work in Mercedes high-end cars, so I know.
Yeah.
That's true.
Honestly, I would like that Mercedes myself.
No, I really like that. That's the car that I really want right now. But we'll see if I can find really a good one too. So we'll see.
What if we make you a good deal on this here?
Well, it's up to him. He's my boss. It's my. But yeah, this is a nice car. It's a CRV, Honda CRV.
That was what was on the lane.
Yeah.
So it watches the lane. Once you reach 45 in the region, you have to go 45. So you don't have the line.
Okay. Right now we're trying a Mercedes Benz. This is GL. What is this one? GLC 300 or 350? I don't know. We'll see. So I will like it. But we'll just test drive for now. And let's see what we get today. Okay, we're checking right now. BMW. We'll see. My husband and I were in and checking also on the Lexus. But I'm thinking Lexus, BMW. I think BMW, honey. And if it's a Lexus, it should be a BMW. So yes. And we're just checking cars. Here today. The look on the front. Okay. this is Honda Bell. We've been here before too, so see? Here, let's do this. There's one, and we're not really thinking of buying it tonight, but it looks like we're gonna end up buying it anyway. So see. I'm vlogging. Oops. But it's not really showing. There you go. Okay. This is the car that we're getting. And it's brand new. There's only like 16 on the mileage. So, well, I end up Honda. I want Mercedes Benz, but I think CRV is fine. You know, Honda CRV, and it's a 5-seater, not a 7-seater anymore. But it's still good for buying a car again because of just traveling. We need a car for traveling, and looks like a good for travel. So this is it. I got my car, guys. This is it. They're just gonna go for details, and tonight we're gonna bring this baby home. Thank you. I got my car. It's a Honda CRV 2020. Thank you. So we're still on Honda, and it's already like almost 10, and we're finishing everything. So this is the car that I got. It's a new Honda CRV. It's a 2020, and the salesman who sell this to us is showing Bruce on how to use the car. And of course, here's my car that we trade in, and I'm gonna miss my car. I love this car. This car, where's my kids? Like we go somewhere, we go travel everywhere. So you know what? This car really served us really good. But there's a lot of feature on this car too that I really love. But we are gonna lose some of them. Like I don't have any more the things for movies, you know, things like that. And there's everything still. So they're gonna work on how to use it. So that's it. That's my teaching Bruce on how to do all the features inside the car. My brand new Honda CRV. We'll see how it works this time.
This is Reynolds channel.